Hey guys, good evening everyone. How are you all?
Hi, good evening.
Hey guys, good evening everyone.
Hi guys. If anyone have questions, maybe we can discuss before we jumping into the directly class. I mean, someone want to connect with they work around want to record the session, right? So you guys can approach me directly. Hi guys. If anyone have questions, maybe we can discuss. Yes, sir. We can start the session.
Sorry Mahesh, you were asking something to me, like I lost you in between.
Nothing. Yeah, you have to be close this section. So there is a blank screen in the.
Yeah, this is the screen sharing icon. So is it gone now?
No, not yet.
No, this is the pop-up, the chat pop-up I have opened. Now it should be gone.
Yeah, now it's.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we should wait for 1-2 minutes so that everyone can join and that we can get started. So meanwhile, guys, if you have any doubt, you guys can tell us. And today is the last session, like last free preview session. After today, you have to enroll if you have to continue. So if you have any doubt related to licensing, like for how many duration we are providing licensing, how to pay, and about the recordings of the class, like for how many duration you will be having the access to the recordings, anything, any career related doubt. So you guys can ask us. Mahesh is also here. So then might be he will drop after this. So whatever doubts you have, so use this opportunity to ask the questions. I hope I'm audible, guys. Am I?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, yes, Indra.
Okay. No questions? Everything clear already?
I have a question regarding trial, licensing side. How many days we can practice with that licensing module like Power Platform one?
Yeah.
Like 6
So
months or
Mahesh, it
1
is for
year?
6 months, right? If I'm not wrong, the premium license. Mahesh, are you there? And even from the support team, Satish, Suchitra. I think Kalpana, it is for 6 months.
Uh, I got to know that from Satish, it could be 1 year.
Yes,
Yeah,
I also heard
recording
from
is
the
1 year. But
one
for
support team.
license, I'm not sure it is either 6 months or 1 year. Minimum you can expect 6 months,
Okay.
maximum 1 year.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Hello.
And
Hello. Hi, Indra.
Hi, Sati.
This is Satish from Case Study Division.
Yeah, Satish, please.
Yeah.
So, like someone was asking about the licensing part, the credentials that we are providing. So, the premium license that we are providing is it is for 6 months or an year?
1 year, sir. 1 year.
1 year license, 1 year recording, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Kalpana, I hope you got your answer.
Yeah. Further,
yeah,
if they need any help, please ping me. I will help you.
yeah, I have Mahesh number. I'll speak with him.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So now,
thank you.
guys,
Thank you.
like after today's class, if anyone wants to enroll, like if you're facing any kind of issues, so get in touch with our coordinators. So they can help you in doing the payment and everything they can guide you through.
Today is last class for free preview.
Yeah, today is the 5th
Yeah.
class.
Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we have to pay for by tomorrow or something like that.
Yeah, you have to pay and then you will get the access to the portal. So everything will be in the portal then. Classes, recordings.
Better I
Okay.
can put the screen and share the screen and explain like how to enroll themselves in the app itself.
Yeah. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Okay. You are sharing Mahesh, or you want me to do
Yeah,
that?
I can share if required. Else if
Okay.
not, you can, anything is fine. Let me share.
Yes, I stopped.
Let me know once you are able to see the screen.
Yeah, it is visible.
Yes.
Right. Yeah, so it's in our web page. Like maybe you can go to the Google, just search as a KSR Data Vision. This is our website. Okay. You can click on website here. Okay. These are the process, and you can see the in the blogs. You can see all the entry questions and that. Okay. So you can go to the sign in directly. So if you are first time, you have to create an account. So you have to give your email ID and you will get an OTP and you can create. Already have an account, just to log in. I do have many courses. That's the reason it will show us. Just click on explore courses, paid sessions. Here it's your course, Power Platform Developer May 2025. It's in a roadmap. You can see other details. It's starting from 8th May and will close by September 12th. You can click on buy now. You do have all the options. Okay. So to pay. If you have many more questions, you may approach our team as well. So these we will correct, like a one-time payment. I will try to make any coupon code out for that. Okay, you can able to make it 25K at one go. It's showing still 27th. I will try to correct this one. Okay. You can pay by using all credit cards and debit cards. So you have all the options. So let me know if you have any questions or something. And once you got the access, I will show you how it works. Okay.
Yeah. And Mahesh garu, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
We can pay twice.
Yeah, that's what, like 13K plus
Or
30K.
like,
So
yeah,
example,
it
if
is.
you're done with your course, right, it will be shown this way. and you can see all your class records here. I'm showing just another course here. Okay, so you can see all the class records here. Once the class started, you can able to see the button here, new join now. All the classes, all material content you can able to see in the left side, and all the class records you can able to see here, and date range, month wise, date wise, or topic wise also you can able to filter here. You can pay in 2 installments, 3 installments also. Maximum 3 installments we do have. Yes, let me show anyone Power Platform, World Batch or something. Yeah,
This is free one, I guess.
free one. Yeah, free one. It's the current one, I guess. See now, showing join now button because it's running now. So you can see all the topic names as well. You can able to filter with the topic names. It's all our free sessions. That's the reason you may see repeatedly same topics. Yeah, you can ask me if any questions you have. Here also you can able to see the join now button from the dashboard directly.
There's any doubt in this process?
Okay, after joining the class, automatically so in the place of absent, its mark will be present.
That's I didn't attend all those classes. Right? That's the reason it's showing absent, but it's not mean like you can go with the record if you absent on that day. We will get in a track like how many people are joining live and how many are missing the classes, just to understand from our side. That not mean like absentees we can consider as a we can't help you in a regime making, not like that. We will help you even though you absent the class, but only concern the better you have to complete that lecture by next year. If you miss the class, you can try to finish the class with the record.
Is it also possible to purchase only recording videos?
Yeah, old class records like because we are not in a way to as a self-paced sessions, but what you can do if you don't have much time, you can go with the old batch records. But at the time, I can't help you with any doubts clarification because trainer won't be available, right? So it's a kind of self-paced sessions.
Can you show the page of course page once, please?
Sorry.
Can you show the web page of where your absent and join now option were visible?
Yeah, sure. Here you can see.
No, it's a my course, I think,
Yeah, there also I will show you.
where previous recording were visible.
Class
Okay.
records. Okay.
Okay, in this month we can filter out the
Yeah,
date.
month wise, date wise, or else like a topic wise. Example, you can keep like this here. There is one topic called DAX. Because after completing your classes, maybe you are out with only one particular topic.
Okay, in this
Example, Power
class
Apps are under Power Apps, any related to one particular topic. If you missed, or else you want to repeat again, you just search here. Example, only today, you can able to see only one class here.
only this batch record videos will visible.
I can't give it to you this batch. Completed batch only I can able to provide. Means if you want to go with only records.
Okay, this is also visible, no?
Yeah. These are free sessions actually. You can enroll directly yourself. These are the free classes. You can just go on upcoming sessions are also free sessions because every course we are giving minimum 5 sessions as a free, right? This is the topic.
Okay.
And frequently we will conduct workshops. See, you can see this is a Power BI end-to-end project. This is a Fabric to the 3 days workshop. This is a hackathons, and it is a data ops related end-to-end workshop. It's a data engineering. It is a data ops. So there is some real estate related hackathons we are conducting. Frequently we will do these things. Self-paced, we are not much encouraging actually. So it's there, but we are not encouraging this one. Because you people who are already working and they have some idea on Power BI or Power Platform, maybe they can understand easily, but who are looking for a job, it will be difficult for them.
This
If you want,
class
you are
will
able to
continue.
manage by own self-learning. Yes, you can get the self-learning classes.
Okay. This batch will continue as per
Yeah.
their session, as per their schedule, right?
Yes. Every day, Monday to Friday, 5 days a week, you have the live class. Once live class is completed, maximum by morning, if class is completed, by evening, you will get a recorded version.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, Rahul, you can ask me.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
This
hi.
is my first demo class. I would like to talk to you in person. Can I
Yeah, you can
contact
call me morning, sir. You can write down my number. You can call me.
1 minute, sir?
Sorry. Or else you can text me on my mail. You can connect.
Sir,
I'm
if you can
giving-
provide me a number so that I can give you a call in the morning.
Sure, sure, sure. I'm texting here. You can check it. Okay. So my number will be 9916961234.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
okay. Since this is the just wanted to check on each course in Power Platform, like there are Power Apps and
Yes. Yes.
Power Automate, all those stuff, right?
Yes.
So in each apps, how many projects are you guys planning to work on?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Indra?
Yes, I will answer that. So Rahul, you will be getting 6 to 7 projects. So what I suggest to you, you will be having YouTube videos available for this batch. All the 4 sessions will be available on the YouTube. So I would request you to go through the at least first session. If you want to skip others, if you want to if you want to watch sessions afterwards, others, that is fine. But I want you to go ahead right away after this class, watch that first session. All your doubts related to the course, related to the content will be clarified there.
Okay. Oh, may I know what is the link or what is the-
Yeah, link I'll ask the team to put it in the chat, but you
Yeah.
will be able to get it in the KSR Data Vision YouTube channel also directly.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. So the course timing will be 7:30 to 8:30, is it? Every day?
Yes, 7:30 to 8:30 or 9, like this. It depends, like, but it will start at 7:30.
Okay. 7:30 p.m. Same time.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Okay. Thank you. One more question. Since I'm just attended for the first time, so I heard that you telling this will be the last session. So is it the same thing what you're repeating, or will it be
Yeah,
a
so basically, Rahul, how it works, whenever we start any batch, we give 5 free sessions to the people so that they can get the gist of the things, right? They
okay?
can get a idea of things like how we approach, because in one session or 2 session, you can't get the proper idea, right? So you will have a good sample size of 5 sessions. So
Okay.
by taking that sample size, you can get the gist of syllabus, trainer, the way of teaching. So then accordingly, you can decide. Like if you want to enroll, so then you can enroll after 5 sessions.
Okay.
Maybe
So
I got your question, Rahul. All 5 sessions are different actually. Only
different.
concern, first 5 days we are not asking fees for that. We can check
Okay.
continuously. Yesterday's topic is different. Today's topic is in a continuation.
Okay.
Yeah,
It is a
it is a
continuous.
part of course.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it is part of course. Now, tomorrow, it will not be the first session. It will be the 6th session of the Power BI module.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else, guys? Any doubt? I hope all of you are clear. Yeah,
Yeah,
Manmohan.
my question. So, the actual class tomorrow it will start, or next week or something? The real class will start after this.
Started a week back, Manohar.
Yeah.
No. After this
That's
5
what
classes, right? It will continue, right?
again,
That's what.
Indra, I will wait. Yeah, it's again, Manohar. It's actual classes started 8th May itself. Only
Okay.
reason we are not charging for first 5 days. I'm very happy if you are able to pay right away.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
it's a regular classes
Right.
only. Like again, Indra also explained. I am also explained previously, right? First 5 days, we
Sure.
are not just asking this fees. So if you are satisfied on the day 1, yes, you can pay the fees and you can continue. If you satisfied day 2,
Okay.
yes, day 3, day 4, day 5. Until day 5, we will wait. Already couple of people paid actually 2-3 days back also.
Okay, got it, Mahesh. Yeah, thanks.
Okay,
So
yeah.
also one more question. So if I want to speed up, right? Indra was mentioning that evening also will have a batch where that
But
one
concepts are
course in
different,
advance.
Manohar. What I can able to suggest you, I will provide you freely required. I will provide you old batch record.
Okay.
You can spend more time.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
spend more
Okay,
time
that
so that
helps,
you can
yeah,
able
that
to
helps.
finish early. But we are not able to take any batches on a rush mode. So I know there are a
Okay.
lot many institutions, they are completing Power Platform within 45 days also, but we are not in that kind of idea. Because here most of the people working professionals and they have to go for the jobs with a 3, 4, 5 years experience as an analyst already they have, right?
Yeah.
So obviously companies will have a more expectation on you.
Yeah, got it.
Just by
Okay.
finishing some
Maybe I
basics
will give
and
a call
finishing,
maybe tomorrow
yeah,
morning.
yeah, sure, Manohar. Just
sure,
by
thanks.
finishing some basics and all, we can't give that much of a confidence to you.
Got it. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Sir, one more question. Since this is a continuation of fourth day, right? So if I want to revisit the first 2 3 classes today, is it possible
Yeah, it's
that I
there
get
in
a
our
recording?
website records also. Like, let me share again my screen.
Okay.
Let me know once you are able to see.
Yeah.
So you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So once you created account, you can able to see my account.
Okay.
So under my account, if you already enrolled, that course will be there. I will show you how to enroll also. It's upcoming sessions.
Mm-hmm.
And this is your course Power Platform free preview. That means first 5 days, which is a free.
Okay.
It's I already assigned to me, so it will show you like access now. Class records. This month it is started on 8th May. First
Okay.
class, second class, third class, fourth, and fifth. Now it's going on. Once this
Okay.
session is completed, you can able to see the view recording button after 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
Any more questions, guys? If anyone. And we are clearly making in a plan. It's not just simply by saying like a 3 months or 4 months. Okay. You can see the 90 days plan. Day
Mahesh, one
1
more
to
quick
day
question.
90.
So the license include the Power Apps services as well,
Yes.
or only Power Desktop, Power BI
Power
Desktop?
BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Virtual Agent, and Dynamic 365. But Dynamic 365 not required here. Power BI we will provide a premium version for 4 months and a Pro for 8 months. But here we now need to use a premium level. Power Platform is a different subject, right? But I will provide a premium version.
Okay, so we will be able to use the Power BI services, Mahesh?
Yes, you can. But we are not
Okay.
using here. I guess, right?
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So maybe if you want to do some hands-on, right, one or
Yes,
two
yes.
report using Power BI
You can.
service, so that could be okay. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
And what about the certification? Which type of certificate we can get after completion the course?
Course completion only I can able to provide from my side. But if you want to get a better one, you can write an exam with Microsoft. That is a PL 400. And there are some free certification also. Our team will guide you. From Microsoft itself, we have sometimes you will get a free certifications.
You also guide now how we crack the exam and
With our curriculum, you can able to crack easily. And we will help you with how to crack that kind of sessions also we will conduct frequently. PL 400 exam.
okay.
Yeah. So maybe DAX or some data modeling concept, some people may be aware, but we will teach here again. Okay. So you can see after that, LinkedIn sessions, portfolio making, guest lectures we will conduct sometimes with outside experts, and resume making we will take. And regularly we will conduct placement session every alternate day. So if you are attending interview but not able to crack interview, we can have a discussion at that time. Okay. Yeah. See, like we will conduct a placement sessions as well. So in the teams only you can able to connect with the people. Okay. So these. And you can able to create in a groups and you can able to discuss with your classmates in the groups itself. Yeah, and a trainer also will create in a group for particularly your 20-25 people, and you can have a chart and everything in the teams itself. Hope all good, right? If you have any questions, maybe you can connect with me one-on-one also. Tomorrow we can discuss. Yeah, Indra, you can go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Mahesh. I hope, guys, your all questions are answered. So if you have any other question, I'll take it up at the end of the class. Okay. I hope my screen is visible, guys.
Only one issue, just blue sign
They
downside.
will be black in the down, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope it is gone now.
Yes.
All right. That's fine. So guys, how many of you have completed the development that we did till yesterday? Guys, let's be quick in answering whatever I'm asking. Is there anyone who has completed till yesterday's class?
Yep. I did. Yeah, I tried.
You tried, right? Okay. I think I did not show you the PPT of it. This. So guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. So we will start the actual content now. I hope you had good doubt session clearing by Mahesh. So this is day 5 of our app, our platform batch. And today will be the final class, as I mentioned multiple times. So mentioning it for one last time. And what we will be working today is, again, there will be one more session dedicated to DAX, where again DAX 2 means like one session already we did yesterday. So this is the continuation to that. We will be creating more DAX columns, or more, we will be implementing more business logic with the help of DAX. Okay, so now let's move to our Power BI report that we were working on. This was the table that we have, and we created a few columns yesterday with the help of DAX. So now what I will do is I will go into data transformation mode and I'll tweak the data width, and then I'll show you the various use cases that can happen in the real life scenarios and how to tackle those. Okay. So I will create one more table. I will say this laptop detail. So from this table, I'll get rid of few things like product name, and I will get rid of actual price. Okay. Oh, sorry, my bad. This is the second table, right? So let us product name to be there. Then let's get rid of this thing, discount price, stars, category, rating, description. Let's keep the description here. Let's keep the link here. So basically all the extra column which were there, like which were very huge in I would say the number, those were the descriptive column. I'll keep it in the laptop details, and here I will keep this table clean. I'll not have product name here. No, I don't want to delete the table. I want to delete the column. I hope you are able to relate how I'm deleting.
No,
Right?
actually.
Description is also not.
What is the
No,
shortcut key?
sorry.
What is the shortcut key to delete the table? Oh, sorry, column.
Delete key.
Okay, only.
Delete key. You can delete from here also. Remove either. What you can do, you can select this and press delete key on your keyboard.
Okay, got it.
So now what I did here, like this was the data set, right? Previously we were having everything was in the simple same table. But now in the laptop details, what I did is I bifurcated the things. So you have product ID and you have product name, description, and link. Okay. Getting me what I did?
Okay, you just create a master data of product.
Yeah. So if you want to get some details about the product, like for this comms GZW35W, right? So you can take this ID, go to this table and get all the details, like what is the actual price, discount price, stars, and all, right? Because in real world also you will be having the data in different tables. You will not have a simple flat table, isn't it?
Yes.
So that's why I did that. So now let me show you how to approach the business problems that you might face when you will be working on the Power BI. Let us load the data. And the people like who have not attended the previous classes might be they must be feeling little left out. So I want you to go ahead and check the recordings. So now guys, this thing is breaking. Processor type is breaking, right? Why it is breaking? Can someone tell me?
This product name has been deleted.
Because product name will be deleted from this table, right?
Yes.
So now suppose you want to fix this error. Similarly, RAM size must also be breaking because that was also derived on the top of product name. So now you have some requirement. First of all, the requirement is you want to fix this error. You want to get some get the product name column here with the help of some concept, right? So how you can get that here? So if I'll ask you, guys, please tell me what is the product name of this product ID. How you will tell me? Show me the layman approach. What step you will perform?
VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP. Again, you are telling me the concept. I want the layman approach. I'm not.
Will search this product
Consider me as
ID
a
in
layman guy.
the
Oh,
unique
sorry.
identity.
Okay. Again, I'm not satisfied with the explanation.
We'll just
It
search
should
the
be
product
layman.
ID in the laptop details and we'll find the product name there.
Very good. What you will do, you will take this ID. It is COMZW, right? You can go to laptop table. You can select this. Let me COMGZW35. Okay, so you will go ahead here and then you will be getting the product name from here, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now
Sure.
what you need to do, you need to take this product name and put it here in the product name column that you will be creating now, right? So now, like, this is the exact thing that you have to implement now. So how we will implement that? We will create new column. We will name the column as product name. So how you will write? I will write the code and then I will explain. Okay. So you will write code and then you have to write some aggregated function. So then you will say filter. So which table you want to filter, guys?
Product ID.
Okay. Let me
Laptop
write
details.
the expression and then I'll explain. Okay. Okay. Product ID is equals to laptop sales. Product ID. And what I want from there, I want the product name. So this is how you will be getting from there. So now let me explain you what is happening here. So basically, what is happening here, you are filtering the laptop details table. Okay. You are filtering the laptop details table on the basis of product ID of laptop details and the product ID of laptop sales data. So we are doing exactly same thing that we did just now. We took the ID from here. We are matching with this table and we are applying the filter here. We applied the filter here, right? On this laptop details table. Isn't it, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay is not convincing.
Yes, yes.
Let me.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
what we did. Yeah.
Fine. That's what we did, right? This thing is clear, right? What we did.
Yep.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now after that, so calculate is the function that you will use to perform the expressions. Okay. So if you have ever worked with SQL Server, so consider calculate as select. So there you will be writing, right? Select product name from laptop details where product ID is equals to product ID from other table, isn't it? Right. So this is similar to that. So now why max I have written? So basically, this is the syntax of calculate. So it will accept as an expression. So if you will not write any aggregate function here, it will be considered as a column name only, and it will throw you an error. Let us see. Look, product, a single value for a column product name in the table laptops cannot be determined because this is the entire column, right? But it is expecting an expression. So for creating an expression, you should have a aggregate function here. Okay, what will be the aggregate function? It will be max, mean, anything you can put. Again, like why I'm saying anything you can put, because if you see here, like in the description, so this is what we did, right? This is the result of filter operation. So now what do you want to read from here after filtering the data? Guys, what do you want from here, from laptop details after filtering? In which column you are interested in?
Processor name.
Product name, right?
Product name.
Yeah. So product name you are interested in, right? So if you're taking max, mean from here, does it make any difference? Because this is string and all product name are same because this is the ID which is there, right? Isn't it? ID is unique.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, I think you are not able to relate. So basically, suppose you are roll number 2 in the class. So if your name is written 10 times, roll number 2, Rahul, roll number 2, Rahul, roll number 2, Rahul, Rahul, Rahul. So if I'll take the first record or the third record, does it make any sense? Does it make any difference basically? It will be Rahul only, right? Because it is roll number 2.
Yep.
Yep.
Right. Everyone able to relate? Guys, we have around 20 odd people in the class. You're getting it? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yep, Indra.
Yes.
We're getting it, but why
Yeah.
why max? Like that's the thing.
Yeah,
which is
that is
running.
the syntax. That is the syntax. You have to put some aggregation here. This you have to remember. So either what are the aggregation functions? First of all, do you guys know what are the aggregation functions?
Not really.
Very good.
Not-
Max, mean, average.
Yes, yes, yes. No worries. Like someone said no, no. So it is good. I will explain. Then everyone will look. Every one of you will be on the same page. Okay.
Okay. Also, explain the use of calculate, how we can use it.
Yes. So calculate is nothing but this is the function which with the help of which you will be able to perform this. So this is standard thing. Whenever you will have this kind of situation when you need to get the data from multiple tables, you have to use this calculate function. Okay. And I think who is asking this doubt? Have you attended the previous class by any chance? Guys, yes, no. Who asked that out? Have you attended? Don't worry, I'm not going to give demerit points or I'm not going to deduct your marks. So please tell me if you have attended or not.
Yes, sir. attended.
Yesterday's class, right, Indra?
Yeah. So yesterday
Yeah.
I told you, right? This is Bible for us. This data
Yeah.
analysis expression MS Docs. So you can go here and check what calculate means, what is the expression, how it will be working and all. Okay. But for all the table filter expression, wherever you want to get the data from multiple tables, you will be using this calculate function. Okay. Now let me go ahead and first of all, acknowledge your doubt that you are getting on aggregation functions. So guys, what aggregate as a word means? Okay. Aggregate. I'm talking about the meaning in English language. Translate from English to Hindi or English. Tell me in one line like what it means. Aggregate. Guys, you know aggregate.
Is it for differentiating something?
Sum.
Some. Okay. So aggregation is nothing, guys. Aggregation means combining the things, right? Isn't it? Combining multiple things into one. You must have used this sentence or phrase like you will aggregate the stuff from multiple places and then you will create a product, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So aggregation means combining multiple things into one. Aggregate means combining multiple things into one. And what is aggregation? Aggregation is a concept in DAX as well as in all the SQL or any programming language, whichever you will learn. So there are some aggregation function like max, min, count. What else? Average, sum, right? So now guys, if you have the data like this, suppose this is price. Okay, I'm talking about only one column as of now. It is 40, 60, 80, 90. So if you will ask, if someone will ask you, please tell me max or price, what it will be? What will be the result?
It's a 90.
90.
Okay, let me write the stuff. Okay. It will be, tell me guys quickly, max or price will be
90.
90.
40.
No. Everyone, for every answer, there should be different person. Okay. Min or price will be
40.
Sorry.
40.
It is very simple, guys. Check what is the minimum price and tell me that number. That is it. 40. Count.
4.
4, right? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Average. Average will be nothing but 40 plus 60, 100, 100 plus 80, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 divided by 4.
54.
It will be, sorry,
54. 54.
5 4 is the 20. 4 6 is the 24, right?
4. Okay. Sorry, I calculated 5.
Yeah,
Okay.
you.
No, yeah.
Okay, you are
I thought 5
confusing me in
numbers
tables. Okay,
No,
that's
I thought 5
fine.
numbers are there. Yeah.
Okay. 7 4 is the 28, right? It will be 67 approx, right? So we will take it as 67. Then for sum, what will be the sum? Sum will be 270. Now
70.
observe one thing, guys. Here, whatever you are performing, it is aggregating and giving you one number, right? Isn't it? Single result. My dear friends, is it correct?
Yes.
Can I ask that thing?
Yep.
Yes.
So now if someone asks you next time what is aggregation, these are the functions that you can tell, but this is the main concept. Like aggregation means it will be giving you the aggregated value and you will get only one value as a result. Isn't it? On the basis of logic. What is the logic? Logic is nothing but if you say max, it will give you the max out of the column. If you will say min, it will give you the min out of the column. If you will say count, it will give you the count out of the column, right? If you will say average, it will give you the average of entire column. If you will say sum, it will sum all the rows and give you one resultant value. Isn't it?
Yep.
I hope now every one of you is on the same page for this aggregation. What aggregation is.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Yep.
So now guys, when you will use this calculate expression, it will expect this first argument as a single value, as an expression. You have to write expression that will return a single value. So you already clear with the filter part, right? So once you have filtered the data, so then you have to check which column you want to get. So as of now, in our case, we were only interested in the name, right? So if you have similar value in all the rows, like you have 40, 40, 40, 40, right? If you're taking max or min, does it matter? My dear friends,
Yeah.
does it matter?
No.
It will not matter, right? It will be 40, 40. So can you take count in place of max or min?
No.
Yes, no. This
No.
will tell me how much you got it.
No,
Can
we
we take count? No,
No.
we can't, right? Very good. You can't take because count will count the rows, right? But we are interested in the name, the actual data. isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So will average work?
No, it doesn't.
It does not, right? Some will also not work. So now I hope guys you are clear like what is happening, what is aggregation, why we are using aggregation, what is happening behind the scenes, how aggregation works. Everything is clear. If you have any doubt, I will keep this screen in front of you for 1 minute. You can observe the screen and do let me know if you have any doubt. I have tried to make it as simple as we can. Okay, very nice. Take 1 minute, guys. I'll give you 60 seconds. Take it, absorb it, acknowledge me, you got it, then we will move ahead.
Okay, is it compulsory to use any aggregate function with calculate? Not
Yes, it is
direct.
compulsory.
Okay.
And
So
guys,
we call
this, okay, yes, please tell me.
yeah, we call the calculate as the function, right? So what do we call the aggregate?
All these are function. This is
Okay.
the,
Okay.
whatever you have written, this is the business logic combining various functions in it. Calculate is one function, max, mean, aggregation is one function, filter is another function. So you are using three functions. And guys, believe me, this one line of code can save your lives. So like when I was working on Power BI report, I have used this code multiple times in multiple requirements. Okay. So basically there is some issue in the Power BI which is called a circular dependency. So we have not discussed about relationship, but let me tell you where it will be very helpful for you. So you will be having tables, right? So as of now, you don't know about relationship. You don't need to know. That's fine. You guys can connect this table with this. You guys can connect this table with this. You can connect this table with this. And the moment you will connect this table with this, the Power BI will give you an error, which is called a circular dependency. And it will not, everything will start breaking. So now you have to break this circular dependency. So how you will break? So the column which was required from this table, what you will do, you will use this calculate wala expression and then you will put it here and you will break this thing. If you are able to relate, that's fine. If not, that's also fine. We will be discussing relationship in the upcoming sessions. Might be tomorrow itself. Okay. I hope guys, it is clear to every one of you what we are doing here. So I will cover all the formulas, all the logics that I have used being a Power BI developer so that you can also use the similar stuff and you can build that intuition. Otherwise, like it will be very easy for me to tell you, okay, these are aggregation function, max will do this, mean will do this, filter will do this, and calculate will do that. But I want you to give you guys the use cases where actually it will be used in the real world. So I hope you guys are getting it. If not, if you have even a 1% of doubt, you guys can ask me again.
So can you just explain the syntax of filter? How it is
Okay.
work?
Filter is very simple. So in filter, the first thing will be the table that you want to filter. So here we want to filter laptop details. So that's why we are giving the laptop details. And second is the condition, like on which column you want to filter. Clear? Guys, if you're asking question, acknowledge also so that I can get like it is clear or not.
Okay, filter the laptop details. It means the table name and the table column name is laptop details product ID, right?
Yeah, it means like product ID from laptop details is getting matched with the product ID from laptop sales data.
Sales data. Okay,
Okay,
got it.
very good.
Can we also do the example of sum in the place of max?
Yeah, some also you can do. So some let's do that. So what I want to do might be in laptop details. I want to get here for, corresponding to product ID. I want to create one column here and I want to tell like for a particular product, how many ratings are there? right? Because if you see here, a project is getting sold multiple times, right? If I'll take this one itself, COMGZ 37. Okay, it was W also. Let's select one product. So it is getting repeated multiple times, right? Because it is getting sold multiple times, isn't it? So it will be having reviews. Okay, every time it is 0. That's fine. So let us take this index value. So I want to calculate the sum of all index for the entire occurrence of this thing. So how you will be able to calculate, guys? You can simply go to the laptop details. I want to calculate it here. You can click on new column. Tell me, guys, how I can write? Now you know, right? Tell me. Sorry?
We need to filter it out. Filter
Yes.
the product ID.
You will filter the product ID. You will filter now which table you have to filter?
Laptop details.
Laptop sales, right? We are in the laptop details. We are creating column here.
Yep.
Laptop sales data on the basis of product ID.
Product
Yeah.
Product ID from laptop details should be equals to product ID from laptop sales, right?
sales.
Yeah. So filtering part is done. After that, what you need to do? Again, you have to write calculate.
Yep.
Right. So expression will be now max.
Sum.
No, yeah, it will be sum, but I'm deliberately writing max so that you can see how it works. Hai na? Okay. So if you are writing max, what will happen? Let me, what to say?
We get the
Sorry.
product ID.
Yeah, let me filter on the product ID also, no? The same product ID. It is COMG ZW37. I think it was which one? H1, HM1? No, it was ZX1. Okay, let me filter once again. COMGZW67. Three seven, right? Okay, so it is ZX, right? Look, you have these many rows, and what you're getting here? Everywhere you are getting the maximum index. Let's go here and let me sort it on the basis of index, sort in descending order. What is the maximum index, guys? 1953, right? And what you are getting here? 1953. What was your requirement, guys?
Sum.
You have to get the sum of all the index, right? So how you will do that? You will simply go ahead, change this to sum. Now what will happen? It will go ahead, filter the table, perform the sum and give you the result here. Clear? I hope like if you actually got what aggregation means, what filter means, it should be, you should be able to make a image in your mind or how it is getting executed. Is it happening?
Yep. In such case, like previously, we can also use min also, right? Like instead of max, like because
Yeah,
there's
that's
no
what I
difference.
explained, right? In the byte word also. Because you have 40, 40, 40, right? If you will say max, min, it does not make any difference, right? Max will also be the same, min will also be the same. Because product name is same, isn't it?
Yep.
Getting me? So
Yep,
now
yep,
guys,
yep.
yeah, these are the few things. So these were the few columns that you can create with the DAX, and these were the scenarios. And again, we are not ending the DAX here. We have lots of things to do. We will create tables, measure and all. But now next thing what we will be covering is I have to create this data into multiple tables, and then I have to tell you about merge queries, append queries, and relationship. So do you want me to take relationships today? One question. We have 30 minutes. So if you don't have any doubts, so then we can take. Otherwise, we can take it tomorrow also, because this will be the last time when you will be interacting. If you are not enrolling or if you are facing any issues, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. on the course, on the content part. But if you don't have any doubt, I can take 30 minutes and explain relationships. Okay. Like I will use 5-10 more minutes where I will explain what is relationship, why it is required. So then we can implement tomorrow. That is fine. Okay. So guys, what relation mean? First of all, relationship. What comes to your mind when you hear this word relationship?
Connection between two things.
Connection between two things, right?
Yeah.
Can you give me some examples?
Like teacher and student,
Yeah,
have
teacher, student,
and
parent, child,
parent child, like that.
right? Teacher, student, parent, child. So all these are relationship that you can see like among yourself, right? Around you, isn't it? There are many relationships as of
Yes.
now. I think there are new terms in the market, situationship, all those things. Don't think about those. It is relationship. Okay. So I hope you got the humor or that's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, we got like
Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
those are
So
the Gen
don't
Z Gen Z terms. Like we are not. I think we were 90. I think
yeah.
most of us are 90 kids.
Yes, because these are Instagram terms mostly. So
Yeah,
if you're
Gen Z
using that,
terms. Yeah.
you will be getting. Okay. So
I think most of us even wouldn't have got that those terms.
yeah. Yeah, like word is evolving, right? At that time, Power Platform was also not there. So now it is there, you are learning it. So yes. So let's come back to the topic. So connection between two things. This is called relationship. So similarly, so here if you have observed one thing, so for a connection, there should be one thing which is very important, which plays a key role, right? For teacher and student, what is that important thing? That important thing is knowledge or class, right? Like there will be so many teachers and so many students, so many trainers in the market, right? But we have this relationship between us because we are attending this class. So this class is act as a medium, like with which we are able to pursue our relationship, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So similarly, like you can't have flat tables. So why flat tables? What I means, like suppose you are a banking customer, or you are a bank. So you are designing a bank. So in bank, you have one table called as customer. So in customer, you are having all the things in one table. You have customer name, you have customer ID, you have dependents, you might have again here address. Okay. So now guys, suppose our customer is, let me take one people from the class. Suppose it is Neha. So our customer is Neha in the bank. Customer ID will be suppose 2368. And for Neha, there are few dependents. Let me take few more people from the class itself. Suppose Akshay, Aruna, and Deepika. So for Neha, the attendance dependents are Aruna, and address is something ABC for Neha. Then again, you have few more dependents for Neha. You will say Neha 2368. Then suppose Kapila A B C. Then again Neha 2368. Komal A B C. So then you have Rahul 456. Suppose this guy is dependent of Rahul D E F. So you will be having lots of people here, right? So now can someone tell me what is the issue with this data set? Is there an issue?
Yep, it's storing multiple rows for a dependent. Like it can be merged
Yes.
like for Neha.
But you can't have objects here, right? This is the relational database.
Repetitive information like the customer name, the CID is the repetition.
Yeah. So it is violating one very important principle of databases. So that is called primary key. So primary key is what? Primary key is the column on the basis of what you will be able to identify a row. Okay. So if I tell you about primary key, so for you, what will be the primary key? If I'll say Rahul, so then Rahul will say yes, sir, right? So that is primary key for Rahul. If I'll say Neha, so Neha will say yes, sir, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
If I have to call someone, you have your name, right? Which is primary key for you. So suppose like there are two Nehas in the class, so there will be different surname in that case, right? So if surname is also not different, so then you will be having roll number, right? I will say, okay, roll number 2 Neha, please respond, right? Isn't it?
Yep.
Yes.
So similar thing, like if you want to get the data from the databases, how you will get the data, on what basis you will get the data? You should have something to call the row, right? Isn't it? Some unique thing. So do you have
Yes.
something unique here? So if you will ask this guy, customer, please tell me Neha, give me the records for Neha. So it will give you 3 records, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't it? If you will ask give 2368, it will give you 3 records again.
3 records again. Yeah.
So basically, there is a basic principle of databases which is called like every row should be atomic in nature. Every row should be atomic in nature. Guys, this is nothing to take with again Power Platform. I'm building your foundation. If you are not getting it, ask me the doubts, but don't feel like it is overwhelming or something. If you're not liking this, you can ask me. I can stop.
So-
So, sorry.
What is atomic?
Yeah, I'm coming to that. So what it means, every row should be atomic in nature means that every row which will be available here in your data set should have a unique meaning. It should be meaningful. But here, if you say like it is repeated. We are getting the data for Aruna, for Neha in the 3 rows because of this thing, a dependence, right? So if I want to get rid of this thing, how I will get rid? I will go ahead. I'll create 2 tables. Customer. There will be customer ID. There will be customer name. Neha. And other guy was Rahul, right? So what was customer ID for Neha? It was 2368. For Rahul, it was 456. So now I will create one more table, which is called as dependence table. Okay. I will call dependent ID, dependent name, and I will put it here, candidate ID. Okay. So now dependent ID, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So now for Rahul, dependent was Indra. And what is the ID for Rahul? It is 456. Okay. Then what next is, it was Aruna, Kapila, and Komal. Aruna, Kapila, Komal. It was 2368, 2368, 2368. Suppose address is also added here in the first column. So now, guys, if I want to get the data of Neha, so if I will say, give me the record of 2368, what it will give you?
All the records are related to that ID.
I will say,
Like
give me
Aruna,
2368 from customer. What it will give me?
Customer
Neha.
name.
Neha, right? So now, if you want to get only customer detail, you don't have to unnecessarily query the entire table, which was having dependent name also, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So if I want to get the dependents of Neha, how I will get? I will say select dependent from dependents table where candidate ID is equals to Neha's candidate ID, right?
Yep.
So what I will get? I will get these 3 rows,
Yes.
isn't it? So now have you created the relationship between these 2 tables on the basis of what?
Yeah.
Candidate ID, right? So both the tables have some primary keys.
Yes.
This is part of normalization, right?
This is part of normalization, exactly.
Yes.
Okay. So now, guys, so now you have to combine these 2 tables, right, on the basis of keys. So the relationship that you will be creating on the candidate ID from the customer table to the dependent table. This is called as relationship between 2 tables. So now tomorrow we will see what are the different types of relationship, how this thing can be achieved in Power BI. So I hope you guys got it. What is relationship? Why you can't have data in only one table? How we will be splitting it? Or like what it was violating, what it is resolving.
Yes.
I hope it is clear to every one of you.
Yep.
I have did this much drawing in the class, guys. If I
Yes.
have did this much in the in my elementary classes, I would have been a good painter by now. So so do let me know if you still have some doubts.
No, actually, split one table into the 2 tables,
Sorry.
which is a customer. Actually, done with the one table to 2 table with the customer independence, right?
Yes,
Which is
correct.
contains the unique identity number, some of the primary
Yeah,
number we call, and we have a make it as a relationship between the 2 tables. Yeah.
correct.
Thank you. That's it. Yeah.
What about others?
Clear, sir, this topic.
Okay, so guys, I will keep it up till here. We build the foundation of relationship. So now tomorrow we will go ahead directly and implement the relationships. Okay, how we will implement relationship, what are relationship type, how to implement everything we will discuss tomorrow. And I will start with something called as merge and append queries also tomorrow itself. Okay, so now we will start moving to the advanced topic. So now actual game starts like it already started in the previous session where we discussed about DAX and something, DAX and other things. So now, well, like buckle up, guys. You will be getting credentials also by tomorrow EOD or day after tomorrow. So then, as of now, there is no dependency on the credentials. It will be required when once we will be working with the Power BI service. So no one can tell me the excuse. Okay, sir, we were not having credentials, so that's why we did not did the practice. I know you have your work to do, but you have to, as you have taken this initiative to learn Power Platform, right? So I'm expecting that you will take out 30 minutes or 1 hour from your busy schedule to implement the stuff that we are discussing here. Okay.
Sure.
Is that fair expectation from you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's fine. So now whatever doubts you have related to anything that we have covered in the previous 5 session or any general doubt, the people who are for whom this is the first class, any general doubt related to anything, you guys can ask me and then we can end the class.
So can you open the Power BI?
Yes. So before that, like no doubts here, right? Because when I will open the Power BI, it will be gone.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, fine. Yes, this is your Power BI. Let me save. Okay, now tell me. Look, guys, like when you will be when you will be seeing the report, so you must be saying, okay, this is very good. This is very easy. Drag and drop, right? But from last 3 sessions, we are working on the data modeling part only and implementing business logic.
So here are 2 tables, laptop details and laptop sales data, right?
Yes.
In laptop details, this is the master data is like all unique products details,
Yes.
and the laptop sales data is a real data of repeating the values.
Yes. So basically, in laptop details, you have detailed description, you have detailed product name, you have detailed link. So in this sales data, you have the parameters related to sale, like how much was the price, what was the discount you have given, what is the rating. So all those metrics you have in the sales. Let me show you the data. This is the sales data
This is
that
a
you have.
fact. Sales data. Okay. So if we create any reports in Power BI, we have to create the master data as well for build the relationship as well, right?
No, you don't have to create this thing. You might be getting from the data source, the from which you will be creating it, right? Data
Mhm.
will be ready. So it's just I have to tweak this data source like that. Like you will be facing the scenario, these kind of scenarios when you will be working on the report, right? So that's why I tweaked that. The same data set in the way you will be getting it from the I would say in your projects.
If, for example, I'm working with a company in a manufacturing company, so I also have a sales data. If I want to compare the product details, how much the sales happen in last month, in previous year, I have a maintain a master list
So
of all the.
they must already be maintaining the master data. Their data will be the normalized one. By normalization, what I mean, the thing that you have seen in your screen few moments back, right? It was having one master table of candidates for customers, and then it was having dependent tables. So whatever data set you will be dealing with, it will automatically be the, I would say the normalized one. There will be some master table, there will be some repetition value table.
Sir, in the laptop sales data, there was processor name and the RAM which we had error, right?
Processor name and the RAM. In laptop sales data. Yeah, it was having error because here in this table, product name was not there, right? So the moment you created the product name column, it automatically fetched, okay, the product name is there. So then it did that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
What else?
So if we want to put product ID price in sales table, so we also have used the filter column, filter function,
Yeah.
and the aggregate function will be max or min.
Again, that then you can tell me now, like if you want to get. So it is depending on your requirement. Like price, you will not do the summation, right? Because price for a product will be one thing only. So it will be max or min.
Right.
Or if you are calculating the sale, that is different thing altogether. So if you're calculating the sales, then it will be sum, right?
No, I just want to put every product's price in front of every product in sales
Yeah.
table,
So then it will be max.
max or
Max
min.
or min.
Okay. If I want to put all the sum, then sum is required to aggregate. Yes, yes, clear, sir.
Yes, correct.
I want to ask something, but I'm not sure if it would be like jumping the guns and going ahead. So, but still, I'll address the question. So, if there are multiple products that we have, and on a day, for instance, Intel 2 products were sold and 3 were sold for Apple, and by end of the month, if we want a cumulative one, so will we be able to achieve those kind of things?
Yeah, so if you want to do the cumulative one, so then there are multiple ways to achieve that again. You can achieve it directly in the visuals also. You can achieve directly with the DAX also. So with the DAX, how you will be achieving is you will be having one calculated column, which calculated table, sorry, which where you will be having the product IDs, unique product ID. Suppose your product ID is 1. So your 1 is getting sale multiple times, right? In the sales data. So what you can do, you can go to that table where you have unique product IDs. You will write the same formula that you have seen, and then you can perform the sum there. So for you will be getting all the amount in the summation form in that table. What you don't have to follow this much hard work. So there are visuals, right? So in visuals, all these things can be done from the UI itself.
Okay. So we will be covering that a bit later when we move into visual
Yeah, we
section.
will be covering that.
Okay.
That is I would say, the backbone of Power BI.
Okay.
I've seen various people in the interview, they will say, well, we worked with the Power BI, but we don't work with the DAX. We directly did everything, connected the data set, and then created visualizations around that.
Amazing.
Yeah. Even today also, I faced the same candidate.
I'm still struggling to understand which visual to use when.
Yeah, that is again, like, with practice it will come, but most of the time it will be like you will be creating the report, you will be creating the visuals on your understanding, and then you will be going ahead with the client, and then you will tell them, okay, these are the options that we have, whichever they are liking, you will get it. Or if you're working in our organization, which is very good, they have their UI UX designers, so then that pain UI UX designers will take and they will design it for you. So then you only have to make it the functional one.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. I have worked in both the setups. So basically, first setup is a little easy where you are getting it from UI UX. You don't have to brainstorm. You don't have to go to and fro. So all these things they will already do. Okay. Okay, guys. Anything else? Anyone? Can I stop sharing so that we can interact? At least I'm able to see who is asking if you don't have any doubt here.
Sure.
Okay, I can see people are dropping. So anyone else? Any other doubt?
Nothing as of now.
Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, Vivek, you have something?
So actually, I have to do the things in Excel that I have to compare the YTD, MTD, and last year comparison sales to till now. This is also possible in showing
Yeah, Vivek,
visualizations.
it is possible. Just go ahead in Power FX, MS Docs, search there YTD, MTD. You will be getting YTD, MTD there formulas.
This is also covered in this.
Yeah, we will. I will tell you about time intelligence functions. Nothing to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. That's fine, guys. Then we can end the class here. Have a good day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So
You have a nice day.